the first clue on our detective journey. Look around in areas where mold and mildew might thrive. Keep those eyes peeled. Corners, the attic, the basement, under the sink. Spot it to stop it. Moisture is mold and mildew's best friend. Check the bathrooms and anywhere water loves to linger. Your home's moisture map reveals their favorite spots. Bad ventilation and leaks roll out the red carpet for our unwelcome guests. Airing out and fixing leaks can shut down their party before it starts. Mold and mildew love high humidity. Consider a dehumidifier for damp areas of your home. Never underestimate the power of fresh air and sunlight. They're natural disinfectants that help keep mold and mildew at bay. Let the sunshine in. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've armed you with the know-how to identify, tackle, and prevent mold and mildew in your home. Remember, the key is early detection and regular maintenance. Let's keep our homes mold-free and healthy. Start today, because a little effort goes a long way in protecting your space. If you've picked up some helpful tips, share your thoughts below and join our community. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights to a naturally clean home. Your support inspires us to create more content